guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Manifestation Box by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the August 2024 Manifestation Box by Gogh Jewelry Design just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys missed my last unboxing, I did let you know there's a little bit of changes that we're doing to this particular box. So now I'm doing it every other month that I will be unboxing it. And I'm doing it with Raina from Boxes and Deals. So you can take a look at my video, see what is in the manifestation box, and then I will have her channel and her video linked down below in the description box. You can hop on over to her channel and you can check out what she got in the Mother Earth Wrap Club. So you can see the two different subscriptions between both of our channels, and then you can decide which one you would like for yourself or for a gift if you are interested in it for yourself. So I think that's so great. We'll both be showing one each every other month to bring to you to see some of their wonderful jewelry that they have. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm super excited because I just love all of the stuff, all of the different colors and everything that they make and all the different stones and the meanings, and I just love everything about it. So you always open it up to a handwritten card right on top, which is absolutely amazing. Attention to detail is always there. You always have a cute little sticker holding everything together. And then when we open it up, here is a sneak peek to inside of the box. I'm looking down on my phone. I have my bird, my chickens. I'm watching her in the coop technically because right now she's literally like in the coop. She's been in and out of the coop all morning. If you can see her kind of right there, Liberty. She is supposed to be laying an egg any day now, like any day now. So I have my notifications on. So my phone has just been blowing up all morning with her little self going in and out. It's like, girl, you need to shit or get off the pot already. So if you hear notifications or you see me kind of looking down, I'm just trying to watch her because I think it's going to be any time now, and I'm just gonna be so excited for that because I want to see what color egg she's going to be laying. It's supposed to be blue, but I guess I heard it could be a green, so I'm just waiting for that to happen. She don't even know what's gonna happen when it finally comes out, so I'm just waiting. Okay, so back to this box, you guys. In this one, you are always going to get a bracelet, you get a necklace, and both of those you get to choose the length of them. And then you get a healing crystal. You also get what we're working with for that month. It's just a whole paper to go over. And then you have your own individual horoscope as well. You tell them your zodiac sign and you will have your own horoscope for that month. And then you get two meditation cards, one for you to keep and one for you to gift, or you can keep them both or gift them both. You can do whatever you want. You get two of them. So let's go ahead and look at the, she's just so cute. Look at the bracelet for the month. One thing, oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at those colors. And the ones that are like the teal, that is like a bright like teal color. That is beautiful. And oh my gosh, the healing crystal for this month is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go with that first. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is a little tiny turtle. This is so cute. This one can represent kiwi, because if you guys know, we have a three-striped mud turtle that my man found just walking in the back of our old shop like 10 years ago. And we've been trying to find him a girlfriend. And then at the end of last year, my man's mom was actually just taking a walk where she lives, and there's like a body of water in the middle, and saw, like, she thought it was a rock, but then it moved. It was like literally like this size even when she got it. I'll show you right here compared to her little hands holding it. Like, it was like the size of her fingernail. Kiwi was so dang tiny. She literally almost drowned a few times when she was younger. She's doing so much better now. She's getting so big and so strong. She's eating all these long, like, super worms, the mealworms. She ate a cricket the other day. She is just like, she's a little beast in there. She's stealing them from Squirt now. Like, that little girl is super, super cute, but she is so, so tiny. So this right here reminds me of Kiwi because it's so dang tiny. So there's a little story of my turtles. But oh, look at how cute is that. So this card says turtle, and it will tell you what the turtle represents. It is a symbol of great perseverance, patience, and longevity. The turtle is calculating, wise, and has great strength and endurance. The turtle is known to carry the world on its shoulders, supporting and caring for it. It is a symbol of fertility and female power and is indestructible. To explain what this turtle is advertine. For this one, it says, it is known as the stone of opportunity, thought to be the luckiest of the crystals, especially in manifesting prosperity and wealth, or for increasing favor in competitions or games of chance. Its winning energy makes it a great ally for boosting one's chances in any situation, a first date, tax audits, even landing a promotion. One needs only to be near it to drive its benefits. Wow. And it is just the cutest thing. And I just love that it's super, super tiny because I have a bigger turtle. So that will represent Squirt and this one will represent Kiwi. I love that. It is just the cutest little thing. And before I keep going on, this is going to now be my third video that I'm like, have these swatches on the top of my hand. I apologize. I haven't swatched anything in so long. So I'm like, totally not even realizing I have this on the top of my hand. So there we go. Sorry. You didn't see that earlier. If you did, you didn't. Okay, so there is the cutest little turtle. I swear, I love that. And I think this bag is super cute. Normally they're all blue, and today we have like little whales on it. So I think that's so cool. You can always keep your jewelry in here, keep them protected, or use these for anything else. So for this one, the green hoochie woochie woochie, whatever that's called, and then the moonstone. So let me show you this one more time. It is just gorgeous. And again, this is such a bright and beautiful color. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see how Rena's looks in the wrap bracelet. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see her wrap bracelet. You guys definitely go check out her wrap bracelet because that is going to be gorgeous if it's this stone that's used, because it's normally the same stone for them. So, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so for this green thing right here, it is said to enhance creativity and imagination, making a popular choice among artists and writers. Many believe that it has a calming aura, just like a comforting hug or a soft blanket on a cold night. This stone seems to bring solace. Solace? I think that's how you say it. So, oh my gosh, that is just, I cannot say that enough on how beautiful these colors. I'm so glad we did not miss this month. Doing bi-monthly. I'm so glad this landed on our month because Rena is going to be over the moon excited about this color too. Her and I have the same passion about that color, so she is going to love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see her video. Okay, so the moonstone, which I love moonstone. I absolutely love a moonstone. A stone of new beginnings. Moonstone is a stone of inner growth and strength. Moonstone has been a connection to the magic of the moon and lunar energy. Love, love, love that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so before we get into the necklace, let me show you, because I normally show you all the paperwork first, but I just got so excited with this new bag and wanted to know what was in it. And then the turtle, and then this stone, this is a very good month. A very good month. You can grab this one. I think you have up until the 15th, but if it happens to be after the 15th, you can always write her and ask if she still has them. And then when you sign up, then she knows to send you this particular one. She's so sweet. Like, you could literally email and ask if you still could get it. If it's after the 15th, it's worth a try. But normally it's before the 15th, then you are guaranteed the same box. So just so you know. So here are the meditation cards. Again, you can keep one, gift one, do whatever you would like. You get 2 of them every month. Watch your thoughts. They become words. Watch your words. They become actions. Watch your actions. They become habits. Watch your habits. They become character. watch your character, for it becomes your destiny. Wow. That I got chills reading that one. That is so true. Like, there's a chain of reaction. So that is so cool. It stems from us, our habits, what we do, you know? So just watch what you do. You can always change what you do and go a different path. I just love that. So for this month, what we are working with, it says navigating emotions with grace, the symbolism of a seahorse and water. So here is this whole entire thing that we'll be working with for August that you can read. And then the August 2024 astrology is right here. This one should be for Scorpio. It doesn't say Scorpio. Normally it says Scorpio on the top because that's what I am. This one just says August 2024 astrology. I'm hoping it's for the Scorpio. It just doesn't say. But again, you can sit down and read all of that, and then you'll know what your own astrology is for the month. And I love that this is literally tailored for you, down to your astrology, your wrist size, your necklace size. And speaking of the necklace, let's go with that one next. And here's a beautiful postcard that shows some of their other amazing jewelry. You can purchase everything individually on their website as well. And they do have a code for you guys, which is SheCrafty. And I think that saves you 20% off. SheCrafty, yes, saves you 20% off all of their online products and your first month subscription. If you're interested in going to either the Manifestation or the Mother Earth Wrap Club, you can use my code, Rena's code, whichever. It doesn't do anything for us. It just saves you guys money. So you're more than welcome to use hers, mine, whichever. It doesn't matter. Just save you some money. That's all we care about. Saving you some money. So there is that. Now let's go with the necklace. Most of the time, they'll all be like on a silver chain. Every now and then, I think only maybe once or twice, that's been like on a rose gold or like a gold color, but most of the time it's always on a silver chain, just so you know. And oh my goodness, this is beautiful. It has like this, okay, because a few months I was always like a little like, why don't they match? Because if they're coming in the same month, you would think it would all be like a cohesive set. You know what I'm saying? So this month it matches to a T. Look it has those two beautiful teal colors, and then there's that seahorse. So the seahorse symbolizes the slow moving yet determined nature of these creatures, is a constant reminder that progress isn't about speed. With its quiet endurance amidst the turbulent currents, symbolizes the inner strength that is inherent within each one of us. So that's what the seahorse symbolizes. And then I guess the two next to it, it's under crystal healing. So I'm not quite sure which crystal it is. It just says crystal healing. While you wear your crystals as jewelry, the crystal vibrations work constantly on your imbalances. Clear quartz is a traditional healing. That's not clear quartz. Clear quartz is a traditional healing crystal that is believed to be capable of drawing out pain while amplifying energy for healing. It is also called to be the master healer. I don't think that's a clear quartz. I mean, I don't know if maybe the wrong card popped in my box with that one, but those are definitely not clear. They're a beautiful, beautiful aqua teal color. And I'm so for that, because it definitely is going to match this, like I said, down to a T. Look at those colors together. That is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So I am over the moon excited. It does not match with what I'm wearing today, but I will definitely put it on with my black one day, and it is going to pop. Like, I love, 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 love this color right here. This is theirs. I mean, I'm always wearing at least a bracelet. I can wear several. I can stack them. I can do all of that. But oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this is. I cannot wait. So that is everything for the manifestation box for August. You have this beautiful, beautiful bracelet, this beautiful, beautiful necklace, the most adorable little teeny tiny little turtle. I'm gonna name that Kiwi. Then you have your paperwork and your meditation cards. Okay, you guys, so that is everything for this month's manifestation box. Yes, I did a quick change. Actually, I was putting the video into my app so I can start editing. And at the end, when I went to put my outro, I wasn't like all like SheCrafty out. I was like, this is what's left of the box. And that's how I left it. And I never came back to tell you pricing or anything. I was just so excited about that teal color in that bracelet that I completely forgot about my whole normal routine. So that is now everything for the manifestation box. I'm going to give you a little bit more information if you want to know, like the pricing. They are both the same for this one and the Mother Earth Wrap Club. And don't forget, down below will be the link to go pop over to see Rena's. And I am super, super excited to see how hers comes out, because that is just an amazing crystal this month. So you can definitely check both of them, but the pricing is always the same. You can use my code SheCrafty for 20% off your very first box or anything in the store, or you can use Rena's code. Like I said before, it doesn't do anything to us. It helps you. That's why we have them. So use whichever one you would like. So again, the pricing is the same for either one. If you want to do month per month, it's $39. A 3-month plan will drop that down to $36. A 6-month prepaid plan will drop it down to $34. And if you go to a whole 12-month plan, it'll bring it down to $33 per box. Again, for both the wrap or the manifestation box. So there's that. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Now, that is everything that I have to say. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What did you think of the crystals this month? What do you think of that itty bitty turtle? Oh my gosh, that is just super, super cute. And again, it reminds me of kiwi, so it was like perfect for me this month. Oh my goodness. Again, they will be linked down below if you'd like to go check them out. If you would like to see other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So now that is everything. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.